Hi, this is Christina from Nexus. We're at 88 Wilson Drive in Framingham at a 2-bedroom, 1.5 bathroom apartment with a finished basement, 2-story unit. We're starting in the smaller bedroom upstairs. Nice bright window. Notice a lot of light as we look through the unit. Very nice big closet. Ideal for a kids' room. From here, we're going into the little hallway. Notice another big closet here, linens or whatever else you want to put in here. Entering the master bedroom on our right. Very big and spacious. We will look at the closet, and from here, take a look at all the window, light, this big space. I really like this bedroom. All right, beautiful. From here, we're going straight ahead to the full bathroom with a bathtub, which is always a nice feature. And right here is very nice tile, clean. I like the shower heads too, look at that. All right, from here we will make our way slowly downstairs to the living room and kitchen and the half bathroom. Entering a very spacious open layout living room. Again, lots of sun due to nice big windows. Dining room ahead. Another big closet. Beautiful tile in the kitchen. This is an entry door to the unit. We are walking into the kitchen right now. Nice countertops, plenty of cabinets, dishwasher, stove, and on this wall we have the refrigerator. From here we will make our way to the half bathroom. Here you go, very nice and clean. The unit presents very well. And next step is downstairs finished basement as well as laundry room. Look at this big space for entertaining guests or kids play area, teenagers. I'm not sure who can use it how, but it's definitely a lot of space and options for this space. Another big closet for additional storage. The doors could be closed. And right here, not last, it is the laundry room. Very nice. We are at 88 Wilson Drive in Framingham, 2-bedroom, 1.5 bathroom unit. Thank you.